10 tips for helping dogs and cats live together peacefully. Hey there, animal lovers. Welcome back to the Bark Side, where we share all the best tips for living your best life with pets. Now, we all know how adorable it can be to see dogs and cats cuddling up together, but let's be real, it can also be a challenge to get them to coexist peacefully under one roof. If you've got both a dog and a cat, you might have experienced some tensions or some funny moments of them trying to figure each other out. Don't worry, though, today we've got 10 solid tips to help you create a peaceful home where your dog and cat can live together harmoniously. So, let's jump right into it. Tip number 1, proper introductions. When introducing your dog and cat, patience is key. Start by allowing them to see each other from a distance. Let them sniff each other under a door or through a baby gate before any face-to-face interaction. This gives both pets a chance to get used to each other's scent and presence without feeling threatened. Gradually, you can move to supervised introductions, always rewarding calm behavior and never forcing them into close contact. Tip number 2, give each pet their own space. Dogs and cats need their own safe zones to retreat to when they need a break. For your cat, make sure there are high places to jump to, like cat trees or shelves, so they can observe their surroundings from a safe distance. Dogs should also have their own bed or crate where they can relax without feeling overwhelmed by the cat's presence. These separate areas will give both pets the confidence to relax when the other isn't around. Tip number 3, supervised playtime. When you first start allowing your dog and cat to interact, always supervise their playtime. Make sure the dog isn't being too rough and that the cat has a safe space to escape to if things get too intense. Start with short play sessions and gradually increase the time as they get more comfortable around each other. Tip number 4, training your dog. A well-trained dog is essential for peaceful cohabitation. Teaching your dog basic commands like sit, stay, and leave it can help you control their behavior around the cat. If your dog gets too excited or shows signs of aggression, these commands can prevent any unwanted confrontations. Consistent training helps your dog understand that the cat is part of the family and deserves respect. Tip number 5, don't allow chase behavior. Dogs have a natural instinct to chase, but it's important to discourage this behavior when it comes to your cat. Redirect the dog's energy with playtime, toys, or training to make sure they don't treat the cat as a moving target. Tip number 6, encourage positive interactions. Whenever your dog and cat share a calm, positive moment, like playing together or sitting next to each other, reward them with treats and praise. This helps them associate each other's presence with positive experiences. The more good interactions they have, the more likely they'll develop a peaceful relationship. Tip number 7, monitor feeding times. Food can be a huge source of tension between dogs and cats. Make sure to feed them separately, in different areas, to prevent any territorial behavior over their meals. If your dog tends to be food-driven, you might want to feed them first to avoid any food-stealing habits. This also helps ensure that both pets feel safe during mealtime. Tip number 8, provide mental stimulation for both pets. Boredom can lead to frustration, which may make dogs and cats more irritable with each other. Make sure both pets have plenty of toys, puzzle feeders, and other stimulating activities to keep their minds engaged. When they're tired out from playing or mentally stimulated, they're less likely to cause trouble. Tip number 9, be patient. It may take some time for your dog and cat to fully adjust to each other. Don't rush the process, let them set their own pace. Every pet is different, and some dogs and cats will take longer to get comfortable. Be patient and consistent, and eventually, they'll learn to live peacefully together. And finally, tip number 10, never leave them alone unsupervised. Even if your dog and cat seem to be getting along well, it's important to supervise their interactions when you're not around. Cats, especially, may not always react well to rough play or sudden movements, so keeping an eye on them ensures that no one gets hurt. And there you have it, 10 tips for living with both dogs and cats peacefully. With patience, training, and a little time, your pets can coexist happily under one roof. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more pet care advice. Got any success stories or questions? Drop them in the comments below, I'd love to hear how your pets are doing. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those tails wagging and paws purring.